These are the pieces for raising the height of the bed. I already fitted here. You can have a look. I will show you how to fit this. Before installing this, I will tell you one simple trick how to fit this. The bedding raiser will look like this. If this portion exactly go into this, then there is no problem. You can fit it like this as I fitted there will not be any technical problem. It won't fall down. Before fitting this, what you need is one drilling machine. Why? Because if you directly hit it with the hammer without making hole into that, means in the legs, so that piece break off. So what you have to do is, see, I tell you technically, I'm telling, see, the diameter of the screw is 3.3 mm. So you have to make less diameter to this. So what I used is, in the drill bit, it is of 2.3. So what is the advantage of this is, when you tight into that, it will not come out and it will not become loose. So it will be in strong grip. So please follow this trick. That's all. To do this job, you need razors and screws and one screwdriver. For removing, you need simple screwdriver. It will come. Sometimes this is secured with the nails for an old one. Remove it. Follow the same for all four. This is the razor and this is the screw. Place this. You have to adjust the length of the drill bit according to this. Should not be more or should not be less. This is the drill bit, very thin size. Now I am making the hole. This is the screw. Place the screwdriver and tight it. Now I am making it final tight. It's done. There is no play at all. It should not move like this. See, on the top one, see, there should not be any play. See, when I am making, the whole bedding is moving. See, the standard of fitting must be like this. There should not be any loose. So finally you have to fit all four like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. When all four done and fully tightened, your job is over. It is ready for the use. I hope this video is useful. Let us meet again